different types of forest, what forest has gives us, what the products we have to taking from the forest like fruits, animals and wood, medicinal plants, medicines, and we have to getting from plants, fresh air, forest. If very much large trees are very much is there means we have to getting more rainfall to our surroundings. That forest gives us medicinal plants, fruits and food grains. The forests are giving as a wood we have to making furnitures. In that some people are living in the forest, they are called tribals, and they have two different types of tribals are there in our forest area. They have to live as a taking shelter and make a shelter, and they have to live in the forest. They don't know the civilization what we are. They have to living in the cities and towns and villages. They have to live in forest means they have to in that they have to use as a clothes the branches of the barks of trees and leaves, and they have to use the as a clothes. They have to taking food of food, what the forests are fruits are giving, the plants are there, that food they have to taking. Mostly the forest people, those who are living in the forest, they have to do hunting. They hunt the small animals and they are taking as a food in the forest areas, and they have the cultivation of that and the place they have to do the cultivation for food grains. And near the villages they have to go, and the things are they have to buy into the other people. They have to take from that what they need, the goods they have to take it from that place. And that place is also some types of tribals are living like Gondas, Chenchus and Bondas. There are different types of tribals are there. They have to close relationship forest and other forest. Yes or no? Now that in this session we have to more learn about the different types of tribals. Then the collective name for the various tribal people is Adivasi. Yes, those who are living in the forest we can call another name also tribals and another name also called Adivasis. What is the meaning of Adivasi? The word of Adivasi is formed from the Hindi words. What is that? Adivasi is the meaning of word is came from that, formed as two from the Hindi words. Adi meaning the earliest time. Adi meaning earliest time, and Vasi meaning the residence. Vasi meaning residence. Earliest time residence peoples are called Adivasis. We know once again the word of Adivasi is formed from the Adi Hindi words. What is that? The word of Adivasi is formed from the Hindi word. Adi meaning earliest times and Vasi meaning resident. Vasi meaning resident. That a majority of tribal population lives. Yes. So in our country, so many states. How many states? 29 states are there, including our Telangana. Then in the states in the country, which states are living the tribal people, Adivasi people? Look at here once again. Look at the board. A majority of tribal population. A majority of tribal population, which states belongings? Look at here. Lives in Chhattisgarh 38%, Jharkhand 26%, Madhya Pradesh 20%, Odisha 22%, Andhra Pradesh, AP means Andhra Pradesh 6%, Telangana 9%, Gujarat 15%, Rajasthan 12%, Maharashtra 9%, and parts of Bihar also they have to living in our country. So majority of population ఎక్కువ శాతం నివసించే states Adivasis are living there. Which states? They have to live in Chhattisgarh, most highest 38%, Jharkhand 26%, Madhya Pradesh 20%, Odisha 22%, Andhra Pradesh 6%, Telangana 9%, Gujarat 15%, then you should understand and keep in your mind as a what? Which place is the highest majority people? Which state highest Adivasis are lived? Which state? Tell me. Chhattisgarh. Which state is that low percent of people or tribal people are lived? Tell me. That is parts of Bihar and Andhra Pradesh. Just you have to understand and keep in your mind like this. Then they have their own way of living, languages and traditions. Who have the Adivasis have their own way of living, languages and traditions. Yes, the Chenchus languages, they have to language. They don't have lipi. They don't have lyrics. They have to just talking each other. We have our lyrics. Varnamala, Hindi have lyrics. That is, they don't have for writing. Only they have to talk, communicate with the peoples. They have to have their own languages and their own traditions. Traditions means pandagalu, customs, acharam, sampradayam. This is customs. And festivals. They have their own festivals. In that just example I am giving that Estes. Estes also Adivasis, you know that they have to doing that Sitla Devi festival. What is that? That wheat grains are putting in soil, one bowl. They have to, after growing the plants will come after, they have to do the festival in the collective people or those who are collecting the people. That 3-4 ways are there. They have to put and they have to do the dance and they have to go to water area. They have to go to Nimajjan. Yes or no? They have to their own festivals, their own customs, their own traditions, their own languages. Then some tribal people are hunting others. That okay, the Adivasis are most what they work. They have to do the hunting works to the animals. That most of them practice and agriculture practices also. They have to do how to cultivate, how to agriculture they are doing. They have to practice it. And animal rearing and shell handcrafted animal roaring. That animals are shouting. How they are shouting? They have to practice lion, monkeys. How the voice they have to keeping outside. They have to practice the voices. Yes, what they have to do hunting the animals and they have to practice the agriculture, how to put the grains or some other crops, and that they have to practice the animals rearing voice of them, and they have to do these types of works in their own way. Yes, we have to learn about the different types of tribal people. Yes, the tribes of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Those who are living in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, just it is that first one, Gondi or Gond, the tribe. Gondi or Gond tribe. We have to learn about these people. The Gondi are living in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar and Odisha. The Gondi are Gond tribal people are living in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar and Odisha. That Gondi is the main language. What is that? That Gondi is the main language. And some of people speak Telugu, Hindi, Marathi also. Some of the peoples in that Gondi is the main language. And in some of them peoples also speak another language like Telugu, Hindi and Marathi also. These people dance performing is Gusodi dance. These Gond peoples are doing very special performance of Gusodi dance. When they are doing for all the festivals, they have to perform the Gusodi dance. And that some of the tribal people live in the rural areas, but most of the tribal people have shifted to urban and urban areas. Most of the tribal people are living in rural regions, and but most of the people are shifted to urban areas and adapted a modern lifestyle. In this Gond peoples are living that rural regions, and some of the people are shifted to urban areas, and some more people are attracted to the modern lifestyle. Modern lifestyle they have to attracted, they have to started as a modern lifestyle. And that in these peoples, the Gondi people's tribes are that they have to main festival, that is Nagoba Jatara. That Nagoba Jatara is their traditional festival of them. Traditional festival for whom? Gonda or Gondi. That is celebrated for 10 days. That festival is celebrated for 10 days. In which month? In February. It is held at Keslapur village, Indrevelli Mandal, Adilabad district in the Telangana. Yes, that Gondi people tribals are main festival, main Jatara is the Nagoba Jatara. Is the traditional festival of Gondas, tribal people. That Nagoba Jatara is celebrated for 10 days in February month. It is held at Keslapur village and Indrevelli Mandal, Adilabad district in Telangana. In that the tribal people performed Busodi dance, in which is special attraction of the event. Yes, this is the special attraction of the Gondas or Gondi tribal people of their special attraction, special event of the tribal people. Which tribal people? Gondi tribal people. Children, you should buy the textbooks. Without textbook you can't write that. I have to given the first lesson question answers in our application book, and as well as you should finish that one. Otherwise you can't do the next August second week we have to conducting the exams for that. You can't write that. Just you should buy the textbooks. You have to get the social textbook and course book, and as well as application book. Should write the answers and question answers, fill in the blanks. Match the following belongs to that book. Just you buy the textbook. Okay na children? Thank you.